Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. The Leeward Islands Hurricanes were 50 for 3 at sports time after electing to bat on day one of their opening round regional 4-day contest against the Jamaica Scorpions at the Coolidge Cricket Ground in Antigua. Monson Hodge was on 16 and Jamar Hamilton on 8 at sports time. Kofi James 15, Karen Powell 9 and Casey Carty 2 were the batsmen to be dismissed so far. Marquino Mindley, Jamie Merchant and Gordon Bryan have taken the wickets to fall. Meanwhile, the West Indies will face a depleted Zimbabwe for the first test, which bowls off on Saturday in Bulawayo. The hosts will miss captain Sean Williams as he recovers from a fractured finger. Leading all-rounder Sikandar Raza and Ryan Burrell have opted out due to franchise commitments, while fast bowlers Blessing Muzarabani and Tendai Chatara are ruled out due to injuries. Craig Irvin will lead the team, where he is set to play his first test match in 3 years. Former England batter Gary Ballance was selected to the squad that has 7 potential debutants. Now, Jamaica's under-17 reggae boys have named 7 overseas-based players in their 20-man squad for the CONCACAF Championship in Guatemala from February 11 to 22, where the 4 semi-finalists will qualify for the World Cup in Peru later this year. 2 goalkeepers, Taywayne Lynch and Joshua Grant, are in the squad that has Adrian Reed, Ahir Dixon, Alexavier Gooden, Malik Robinson, Malachi Molina, Nashon Bolt Barrett and Brandon Bent as defenders. Ronaldo Barrett, Jordan Mantagal, Everald Swaby, Jamani Bell and Dustin Cohen as midfielders. Orain Watson, Nicholas Simmons, Adrian Mahoney, Ashton Gordon and Dylan John are the forwards. Meanwhile, head coach Merron Gordon says while some of the players from the provisional squad missed out due to documentation issues, he has a strong belief in what has been assembled for next Sunday's start of the campaign. Now, TVJ Sports understands that the Jamaica Table Tennis Association election, which is constitutionally due on February 28, is likely to be postponed until March or even April. In a story aired at the weekend, potential challenger Samuel Lamont told TVJ Sports that he was yet to receive a date for nominations. Meanwhile, TVJ Sports understands that former national coach Stephen Grant is being touted as a second challenger to incumbent Andrew Liu. According to sources, Grant had a virtual meeting recently with the aim of canvassing support before making a final decision on his next step. The source also confirmed that stakeholders are disgruntled with the current administration over the absence of an affiliates list after several attempts to retrieve same from the JTTA. And finally, legendary quarterback and record 7-time Super Bowl winner Tom Brady says he is retiring for good after 23 seasons in the NFL. 45-year-old Brady first announced his retirement on this day last year, but reversed his decision 6 weeks later, claiming he had unfinished business. He won 6 Super Bowls with the New England Patriots and 1 with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers in 2021. Brady's final season ended in the Bucs' 31-14 playoff defeat last month.
Good morning, guys. I'll get to the point right away. I'm retiring for good. I know the process was a pretty big deal last time, so when I woke up this morning, I figured I'd just press record and let you guys know first. So it won't be long-winded. You only get one super emotional retirement essay, and I used mine up last year. So really thank you guys so much, to every single one of you, for supporting me, my family, my friends, my teammates, my competitors. I could go on forever, there's too many.
And we're retiring for now. That's it for Midday Sports Report. Shamila.
Thank you, Jordan. And that's Midday News. I'm Shamila Pullen. Join us again at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.